Reigne. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm going to go to the beach with my friends. I actually have to drive because I'm really late. And my friend lives so far away. So yeah, I'm gonna go drive. I feel like my camera is gonna fall, but we'll see. We'll never know unless we try. Oh my god, oh my god. I should have attacked you. It's really... Oh, there we go. Okay, see you later. Beach day with my best friend! Yeah! Yeah! First,
Countdown is also just down the street.
First grocery.
Countdown.
Countdown?
Countdown, yeah.
Little countdown trip. Beach time! Hey guys, these are my friends. They're gonna introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Tracy. I'm at the beach. I'm amazing.
Okay.
Hi,
I'm Denise and I'm at the beach and it is nice and sunny and I am getting a nice tan.
We're gonna relax, guys. B-roll! Our fave beach ever.
yes.
Location,
Secret.
snack reveal, fruit salad, cranberry mango juice, watermelon. It's back time.
It's back.
Bebang's here. Tracy's here.
Hey.
Cheers.
What is it?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think that
You know
might
what?
be delicious.
This is gonna be good. It melted. Cheers.
Not my thing.
What's this one supposed to be? Apple?
Pear.
Oh. It tastes like shampoo.
I don't like lime flavored.
I love them.
I love lime flavored
Oh my god, Bebang, you look like a madam. Finished swimming.
Hey, we're done swimming and we just tan too, so it's got water in my
Oh my god.
ear. God. Has water in her ear.
She's water in her ear. It's a difficult life. I think I like this little life. Hi. Hey vlog, right now we are in South.
Yeah.
We're waiting
Hey.
for us. Oh,
Hey.
no forehead allowed.
You need to censor this before. No ad and bangs. Hey. Hey guys, we're at Sal's right now.
South time. Waiting for our pizza. Hey. We ordered a Sal's NBL Steel, which means we get it for free because we steal it. And then it has pepperoni, one half, and the other half is cheese,
And garlic.
4 garlic knots. So yeah, it's gonna be delicious. See you later. See you right now. Brace yourselves for...
It's not working.
What happened? That's the only way you can see her.
Guys, we're
Don't look
at
at my fingers.
Look at her.
Wait. Nail review.
Long in the picture. Holy.
They do.
Long
Look at her.
Long and
Oh,
luscious.
this is so amazing.
The first time we've taken photos in like
Years.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Since Feb 3.
since you were 3 years old.
Yeah, we've known each other since we were 3, obviously.
Yeah. Javi.
That's how we know our friend, Danica.
Oh, OMG. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That smells good.
Today I'm going to perform. We're going to perform for you. This is the moment that you've all been waiting for. This is the greatest show. If you guys were characters in The Greatest Showman, who would you be and why?
I think I want to be Zendaya because I want to be in the tour after me.
I haven't seen the girl.
How about you?
I'd be the girl at the opera.
Oh.
So that I want a singer.
What did she sing?
Oh my god.
Is that the pretty girl?
Yeah.
Which one?
Never,
I thought you meant the one that was a P.T. Barnum's one, the bearded lady.
I love The Greatest Showman so much.
Oh, if you know.
Oh my god. You know when I was like, when I was in here, I think whoa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Guys, we're gonna eat now. Bye.